It is, Judge.
Okay. And that's 23 CR 003862B. Got DUI, driving under the influence of alcohol, less safe, offense date, June 16, 2023. Pretrial.
Second arrest, 2004, sale of cocaine.
Okay.
Yes, Your
State.
Honor. In this case, the defendant was charged with DUI, alcohol less safe. He was pulled over by Roswell PD. Upon making contact with the defendant, it was determined that the driver was a less safe driver, and he was booked on this charge. State is asking for a $2,500 surety bond, no weapons, drugs, or alcohol, or driving while out on bond.
All right. PD Kim.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Holloway is 42 years old. He was born in Florida and he moved here about 2007. He's been here for about 16 years in Georgia. Your Honor, he was the one who called 911 because there was another driver who was erratic in driving and he wanted to avoid that car and got into a accident, I guess. And then he was the one who called the police to get help. However, he was misunderstood as a DUI less safe. We would like to request for signature on bond. He is a driver, Pizza Hut driver. He does cashiers and all that kind of stuff. He does a lot of driving, Your Honor, and that's main source of income for him. And he graduated from high school. After that, he went to Job Corps. Your Honor, we would like to request for a signature on bond. Thank you.
State, were there was field sobriety done, or?
We only have the warrant right now, so I'm not sure if he refused or not. But that's all the information I have currently.
There was no test done whatsoever, Your Honor. He was not even offered to do it. He didn't even have a chance to deny or anything like that.
All right. I'm going to order a $3,000 signature bond. I'm going to order that signature bond through the jail. I'm going to order no drugs, no alcohol, no weapons or guns while on bond. And I'm a little torn, State, as it comes to no driving. I usually say no driving unless you have a valid license, and I don't know if his license were taken to go through the administrative process or just what the status is. I understand he drives for a living, but we just want to make sure there are no issues. They have muted him. And I don't know, PD Kim, if you want Mr. Holloway to respond to that.
Mr. Holloway, would you like to respond to the fact that will you be okay? Did the police take away your driver's license? Yes or no, please?
I'm sorry, say again.
Did the police take away your driver's license?
Not to my knowledge. I can double check the law.
Yeah. Yes. So, Your Honor, we would like to continue the driving, and even the police probably think that he was not fully drunk, Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor, I'll just take the obvious. It looks like the defendant is still is in his work uniform, which leads me to believe that this happened while he was on the job. So if he is a Pizza Hut delivery driver, and he was arrested for DUI, that's a serious concern of the state.
True. I don't think Pizza Hut would have him still driving if they learn of this charge. I generally say there's no driving except for court and coming to see your attorney, usually medical situations. And sometimes I include work, but I'm concerned I don't want anyone to be hurt out there on the road with it. And it's just that I don't have a lot of information to consider at this point.
My apologies, Judge. They did not take his license. He currently still has his license on him.
Okay. All right. I'm giving you the signature bond to let you out. I'm going to go ahead and allow, because I don't have any priors to consider with driving violations. You had nothing else on a driving history, correct, pretrial?
Right, yeah, no.
I didn't pull the driving history. I just got
I
criminal.
checked it, Your Honor. I didn't see anything.
Didn't see anything. All right, I'm going to, Mr. Holloway, very cautiously allow you to drive while on bond. Only, and I'm gonna limit you a little bit for work, court, and to see your attorney, and any medical visits that you need to make, and any other time you need to be at home. If you were younger, I'd put you on a curfew, but I'm not going to do that. But I just wanted to be limited driving, and hopefully you will sort through this, and that I'm not putting someone back on the road, who may hurt others or hurt yourself. Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate that, Carter, just needed.
Please do not say anything else, Mr. Holloway.
All right. Thank you. That concludes this case.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Position 4,